ka jingpen ko bor ka bishisha kam day ka jing ai isen a ne ka jing not sin yang Henry ban pen ko bor iki ta ka jing nang jing start but ta ka jing tibet ban ya le iki jing e ha ka jing em halor ka ni ka jing tumu ka Bethany Society ka la pen long ya ka foundation course ka ban riu banai ha ka computer bat ki training ai kam ai jam naga banta ki Khynnah ki badon ya ki Jingduna ha ka bor yo i bat tang ha ki ni ki riu banai ka Jingpynkylla ka bang yo i ha ki ni ki Khynnah Pule kan pen ngo chi shaingi tung ini khmi halor ka ni ka khubor
Kumba katsan ngot ki Khynnah ki badon ka Jingduna ha ka bor yo i kila yo ya ka jinghikai na ka bentan riu benai khnang ban pentibet yaki ha ki kam ki bakat kum ka jing start technology ka bamenta bat hadien ka jing pendap ya ka te ka training ka bala Jingpynkylla ya ki Khynnah Pule na ka jinglong le ran shaki nong shong snong ki baskham jingmun ya ka program penkut ya ka foundation course ha ka computer but employability training ka bala beitengka da ka North East Center for Technology and Reach nectar la penlong ha Bethany Society ha ka sngi sa jain baladam ha ka ne ka sngi ki Khynnah Pule ki la ai ya artli ki PowerPoint presentation halo ka Swachh Bharat ha words liek pat ka tree plantation ha sora Director General Jongka North East Center for Technology and Reach Dr. Arun Kumar Sarma ubalalong ukongsan ubakerpang ha katika sngi ula penslur yaki kenhun Tremon Ngobha ban pelut ya kapor ka jongki ha ka jing ai training tang yaki computer course hendai ru ban persang ya ka jing ai jing hikai ha ka liang ka digital marketing bat kiwei de kilat ki ba mentoy.
So with this experience and with the kind of support that we have been getting from the other, so can we approach to the state government or to the other societies to make it a big way, to make an impact to the society that this is what's possible. Maybe not, we should not also restrict to ourselves only in this program. 12 kilometers around the Bethany Society, some digital app in the mobile that we can create and collect all these things from the people, from the all families, and make it here itself. We can also introduce some kind of technology over there to make it segregate it and do it something different product and also take it to the market.
Unong hikai komputer internet khar ulaya thu ya ka DD news ba ya ka ni ka program las dang mencem snam tang na ka benta ar banai manta usnam kila kentiu ya ka jing a jing hikai sha kan riu banai bat lala ban yo i ya ka jing job ha ka ba uwe na ki Khynnah Pule ulayo ban trai ha post office.
Actually, this we started last year, but that is only for 2 months. It's called Fundamental, and after that program, short for 2-month course, then this year we have started another 6 months course. So this is like what I told you, it's a foundation course in computer and advanced in employability. Soon after this, we will be planning how to work on it to get more candidates.
Ki Khynnah Pule ki balayo pedang ya ki computer ko certificate ki phu samrkhie bat pen paw ya ka jing sngo kmen ba tang ba ki la tip sapang ka computer hendai ki la long ru ki baskham jing mod bat ki balai load.
It has helped me a lot, not only in computer or keyboard orientation, even in my mobility, even in communication skills, even how to manage with in the society, how to have patience, compassion.
Bureau report DD News Shillong.